Hello, I'm back. Our dinner is done and we are going to taste it. It looks yummy. And I got our calorie count. Okay. Very good. Hot. I always try to test a little bit of everything to make sure all the vegetables are done. Delicious. And there's our meatloaf baked in there. And you can cut the meatloaf in half and it'll give you 6 slices. Taste the meatloaf. That's very good. So, our calorie count is, for this meatloaf, it gives you 6 slices. The calories are 119. Carbs is 4. Fat is 7.66 and protein is 16.66. Our vegetables, it gives you 1 cup servings and it makes 10 servings. That is 118 calories, 118.55 in calories, 21.11 in carbs, 2.11 in fat, 3.94 in protein. And again, that's what it looks like. A yummy, delicious meal, comfort food, if somebody made a comment to me Friday. Good comfort meal. And it's great. Again, the calories are 6 pieces for the meatloaf makes 6 pieces. And the calories is 119, carbs is 4, fat is 7.66, protein is 16.66. The baked vegetables, it gives you 10 1-cup servings, and that's 118.55 for the calories, 21.11 for carbs, 2.11 for fat, and 3.94 for protein. God bless everyone. I'll see you next week with another great recipe and another great healthy dinner. Enjoy your weekend. Keep God and the angels in your life. Work out, eat healthy, stay safe, and I will see you next week. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.